All right. So we now need to know one very, very, very important rule. And this actually comes from my good friend Uncle Ben from Spider-Man. And he once said, with great power comes great responsibility. And that could not be more true in this case. Just because you know how to penetrate a PayPal system does not mean you should. There are other ways to get products for free, and absolutely you can leverage this knowledge to get it for free. Now, I'm not saying that that's a good idea either. Know your target audience, create relationships, be a genuinely good person. Don't blackmail people, essentially, is what I'm saying. But there are ways to get things for free, simply using this knowledge without actually doing any hacking. Now, you might need to prove that you can actually hack the system, in which case you can go and use the skills that you're about to learn. But really, you should be messaging administrators, web developers, owners, whoever really is running the website and saying, hey, you have this giant problem, this giant hole in your PayPal payment system, and I can buy your products for 1 penny. Now, I haven't done that yet because I wanted to let you know that this issue exists. Now, I'm happy to cut you a deal. I can work on it for you, or if you're not a developer, you can find a developer to fix this problem for them. And then you can say, in return, I would just like this service for free, or I would like this product for free. Because I will be saving you a lot of money. I will be saving you a lot of heartbreak, headache, and I am actually helping your business grow. So for the cost of this one product versus how much you could possibly be losing, especially since this information is quite public, that I want this product for free. That I simply want to do a trade-off. Now you can do that, or instead you can ask for money. You can say, I will work on this problem for you for X amount of dollars. Again, if you're not a developer, that's not a big deal. You can always find another developer. I've got a course that reaches thousands of developers. Udemy has courses. You can find them anywhere. Elance, Freelancer, web development forums, PayPal forums. Developers are everywhere these days. You can find them literally everywhere. Now, the point to this particular lecture is, again, with great power comes great responsibility. So just because you can does not mean you should. Will you stumble upon websites that are using this PayPal system that allows you to get products for just a penny? Yeah, absolutely. You're going to find them all over the place, especially once you learn how to look for them. You'll see them everywhere you go, and you'll start looking on almost every website you go to. But that does not mean you should be doing that. And again, that's why I bring up trading services or trading products. I'll fix your website, or I'll find someone to fix your website for you. And in return, I just want your product, or I want your service, or a testimonial. If you're trying to create a portfolio for something. But overall, just be friendly about it. Nobody likes when you go up to someone and say, hey, you've got this giant flaw in your personality. For a lot of internet companies, that's essentially what we're saying. We're saying you have a giant flaw in your website, in your personality, in the work that you are doing. So let them know that it's not a big deal, but it should be something that is prioritized immediately and that you can help them with it. There's no need to be rude about it. There's no need to be mean about it. Just simply let them know. And if they don't respond to you, send them another email. And if you don't see any changes in 2 months, send them another email. Let them know, because this can turn out very beneficial for both you and them, and you don't actually have to do any hacking. All you have to do is be able to prove that their system is hackable.